meron tayo dito pliers, wires, knife, at saka laptop para panoorin natin yung demonstration ni eBasic. So, uunahin natin ang Western Union short tie. Magka-cut lang tayo ng the same size of wires para sa paggawa nito. It is also widely used in interior wiring and is done similar to Western Union long tie supplies. So, susundin lang natin ang demonstration na ibinigay ni eBasic at saka ito ang proseso. Natin gagawin isang Western Union long tie. Pareho lang din sa ginawa natin sa Western Union short tie. Parehong proseso, pero ang pinagkaiba nila is maliit ang length ng short tie kaysa sa long tie. Mas malaki ang twisted loop ng long tie. So, pareho lang din. Sabi ko, magka-cut lang tayo ng dalawang parehong sukat ng wires, babalatan at gagawin ang demonstration ang proseso na ginawa ni eBasic. So, here's the process. Ang pangatlo naman natin gagawin is ang MC entire sleeve. MC entire sleeve is used for splicing copper or steel telephone and telegraph line wires. So, dahil sa kakulangan natin ng gamit, hindi tayo makakagamit ng telephone and telegraph line wires. Ginamit lang natin ng mga bakanting wires at saka available dito sa aming bahay. So, ito ang naging proseso. Pang-apat natin gagawin is ang pig or rat tail splice. A rat tail splice, also known as a twist splice or a pigtail splice, is a very basic electrical splice that can be done with both solid and stranded wire. It is made by taking two or more bare wires and wrapping them together symmetrically around the common axis of both wires. So, makikita natin sa aking papakitang video ang mga proseso na dinemonstrate ni eBasic. Dumako naman tayo sa wrap top or T-joint. Wrap top or T-joint is used on large solid conductors where it is difficult to wrap the heavy top wire around the main wire. So, ginaya lang natin ang dinemonstrate o mga proseso na ibinigay ni eBasic. So, ito ang naging proseso ng aking paggawa. Natin gagawin ay ang Britannia joint. Britannia joint is a joint for uniting the ends of telegraph and electric wires. The ends of the wires are scraped, cleaned, and laid alongside each other for 2 inches, the extreme ends being bent up about right angles to the wire. So, gaya ng mga sinabi ko sa mga una kong recordings, ang gagawin lang natin ay gagaya lang tayo sa demonstration ni eBasic. Ito ang naging proseso ng aking paggawa. a joint for uniting the ends of telegraph and electric wires. The ends of the wires are scraped, cleaned, and laid alongside each other for 2 inches, the extreme ends being bent up about right angles to the wire. So gaya ng mga sinabi ko sa mga unang recordings, ang gagawin lang natin ay kagaya lang tayo sa demonstration ni E-Basic. Ito ang naging proseso ng aking paggawa. Pang-pito nating gagawin ay ang aerial top joint. Aerial top joint is used as a temporary top usually done in construction sites. The easy twist will facilitate top wire movement. So, ginaya lang natin ang demonstration na ibinigay ni E-Basic. At ito ang naging proseso ng aking paggawa. Ang pangwalo nating gagawin ay ang double wrap cross joint. The double wrap cross joint is used where 2 top conductors need to extend away from the branch conductor in the opposite direction. Double wrap is somewhat similar to ordinary cross joint but done through looping 2 wires simultaneously to secure strength. At gagawin ulit natin gagayahin natin ang demonstration o proseso na ibinahagi ni E-Basic. Pang-siyam naman natin gagawin ay ang T or top joint. The T or top joint is a very strong joint occasionally used in practice, particularly for temporary lighting system, where time is not taken to solder joints. It will not untwist even though a strain is placed upon it, done by looping the solid wire into the other to create a strong band. So gagawin ulit natin ang gagayahin ang proseso o demonstrasyon na ibinigay ni E-Basic. Ang pang-sampu naman nating wire splice na gagawin ay ang duplex wire splice. Ang duplex wire splice is used in conduit systems wherein duplex wires are used. It is done by making 2 Western Union small tie splices and joining together side by side using electrical. Ang panglabing isa natin gagawin ay gagawin ulit natin o gagayahin. The knotted top is used where the splice is subject to strain or split natin sa paggawa. When there is no strain, the knot may be eliminated. Ng aking paggawa. Gaya ng mga sinabi ko, gagayahin lang natin ang demonstrasyon o mga prosesong ibinahagi ni E-Basic na magiging gabay natin sa ating gagawing knotted top. At ito ang naging proseso ng aking paggawa. Ang panglabing isa nating gagawin ay ang knotted top. The knotted top is used where the splice is subject to strain or slippage. When there is no strain, the knot may be eliminated. Gaya ng mga sinabi ko, gagayahin lang natin ang demonstrasyon o mga prosesong ibinahagi ni E-Basic na magiging gabay natin sa ating gagawing knotted top. At ito ang naging proseso ng aking paggawa. Underwriter's knot. The underwriter's knot is a knot made in a long cord used to relieve the strain on small wires and binding screws at throw sticks, sockets, and main plug. It is neither a joint nor a splice that is done through creating a knot using a soft wire to easily loop it. Gagayahin lang rin natin ang demonstrasyong ipinakita ni E-Basic at ito ang naging proseso ng aking paggawa. naman natin gagawin ay ang Y-splice. This method of wrapping is generally used on small cables because the strands are flexible and all can be wrapped in one operation. Gagayahin pa rin natin ang demonstrasyon na ibinahagi ni A-Basic at ito ang naging proseso ko sa paggawa nito. Pang-14 naman natin gagawin ay ang terminating fixture joint. The terminating fixture joint is used to connect a small diameter wire such as in a lighting fixture to a larger diameter wire used in a branch circuit. Gagayahin pa rin natin ang ginawang demonstrasyon ni A-Basic at ito ang naging proseso ko sa paggawa. Ang pang-15 o panghuli natin gagawin ay ang ordinary cross joint. The ordinary cross joint is used where two top conductors are to extend away from the branch conductor in opposite direction. At gaya ng mga nauna kong sinabi, gagayahin pa rin natin ang demonstrasyon na ibinahagi ni A-Basic at ito ang naging proseso ko sa aking paggawa. As you can see, 14 lang yung nakalagay because ang ginamit kong wire sa T or top joint ay parehong wire sa ginamit ko sa ordinary cross joint. Yun lang po, maraming salamat.